Hi everyone, my name is Yoav Waxman, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to schedule your class meeting using Microsoft Teams. You can actually schedule your class meeting from MS Teams, but since Teams is fully integrated with Outlook, it's easier to start by opening Outlook and scheduling your meeting from here. Your first step is to click on New Items at the top left corner. And one of your options is a Teams meeting. Select that option. That's going to open a window that looks like this. In this window, you can write down your class name up here on the subject. So I'm going to call it Econ 201 Macro. And then you can add a message to your students, because you can later send this as an email message. And if the student accepts the message, it will appear on their Outlook schedule. You can pick the date of your first class. So for me, it's going to be August 19th. And the time your class starts in. So I'm going to select 3 p.m. till 4 p.m. Notice you have to pick every half hour, so you cannot pick 40 minutes or 50 minutes. Once you've done that, you click under Meeting, which is the second tab on the top left, and it's going to drop a menu, and you want to click on Recurrence right next to the red flag. When you click on Recurrence, you're going to see another window that looks just like this. In this window, you can change the start and end time for the meeting. And you can also select the day of the meeting. So I'm going to select Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, since my class meets 3 times a week. You can change the start date if you pick the wrong date. So I'm going to, again, select August 19th. And you should select the end date for your class. So for me, it's going to be December 4th. And once I'm done all of that, I check that everything is correct. I'm going to press OK. And then I have two options. I can send this email to my class right away, in which case, if once they accept the email, it will appear on their Outlook or Google or whatever schedule they use. Or I can save this for later on, and that's going to allow me to email my class at a later date. And then once I save this, I'm going to close this. And I'm going to go over to my calendar and show you what this looks like. Once I've done this on my Outlook calendar, I can see that my class appears starting on August 19th, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To show you where that is, here's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday of the following week. So my class now appears on my schedule. And when your students accept your email invitation, it will appear on their schedule as well. So when you're ready to send this to your student, you can right-click on any of the classes. You can choose Forward, and then you can send the email to the entire class. And you can choose whether to forward a specific occurrence, which means only that one class meeting, or forward the entire series, and that would open up as an email. So if you either add the name of the students or a group email for the entire class, you can add that and send it to the group, and that will appear on their Outlook schedule once they accept the email. So that was our tutorial on how to schedule your classes using Teams. You can use the same technique also to schedule your office hours. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.